This vlog is a mess, okay? I don't really know what's going on, except I go out, like, too much. I pretty much recorded every single time I went out recently and just took you guys along with me, and we made some banana bread and lived life. Enjoy whatever you're about to see. I'm ruining the vlog. How dare you?
Did I ruin the vlog?
We're going to Bodega.
What's up, vlog?
Why are you asleep? Wake up! No. Right.
You want to have the
Bodega line is
Tell me why.
We'll go somewhere else.
Give me 1 second. The fucking Odyssey. Unironically love this song. Here. If he stays here, I'll genuinely be offended. I come to mom, bro. Mommy. What? It's me, bitch. I am the voice. Do I have or not?
Someone's trying to break in. Don't let him.
It's been a while.
Why do I look like I'm a fucking ant in the screen?
Okay, wait.
Put down.
Weird. What's your point? Oh, right. You're about to see a bunch of footage because we decided to go out again. Of course. We have a rat tail. We know who you are. For Alexia's birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, wait. We'll be back.
I can promise you it's a drink. I can promise you it's a drink. I promise it's a drink.
Amanda!
It's a strong drink.
Amanda, don't lie to me.
I'm lying, guys. I swear this is a drink. It's a strong drink. Beer. Thank you. I don't lie.
Oh my god! It goes on so fast.
It's your turn. I didn't see it.
Roxy! I thought you were casting spells on her. Okay, we're ready to go. Super like casual and comfy, obviously. I have to go. Not that we're late, but running close on time. So I'm gonna go and try and get some video for you guys, but honestly, like, see you guys in a little. Hi, vlog. Tell the vlog where we are. I got a drink to take the edge off after today. Oh, look at this. We're going out again. I'm the third wheel. I like daughter.
5 cereals.
Cheerio. Just piece.
Captain Crunch.
Crave. I crave her.
Good one.
No, get the fuck.
Yo, cheers! Let's go!
Hey, we better finish it.
For the vlog.
Slept, bitch. I forgot.
So long the line to pay $30.
30. We're feeling like we just spent $30 fucking dollars.
Stay safe. OMG. Hi vlog. It's currently 12:50. Really late start to the day. My obsession with American coffee has just like not gone away. I'm obsessed. It is Sunday. I've literally barely vlogged recently. I've only vlogged when like I've gone out, but I actually haven't shown you guys a single thing of my life. Give me 1 second, girl. You know, I bought an Octo Buddy because I had like an off-brand cheap one and I lost it, and I bought an actual Octo Buddy and I feel like it works way less. I can show you guys my outfit. It's super cash. Wow, I feel really far back. I ate so much sodium yesterday and my body just can't handle it anymore. As I've gotten older, for some reason, like anytime I eat really high sodium foods or I just like eat too much or something, my face and my body just swell up like crazy. And mind you, I drink a ton of water, so I don't know what that's about. So what should I eat though? I low-key want to do like a 30-day lock-in. I have a month until I go to New York and I obviously want to feel fab. Maybe I should do a little lock-in. Oh, I always say that and then it doesn't happen. But yeah, come along with me today. Girls, Roxanne, you want to go too? I'm back. I'm bored and so I'm gonna make banana bread. We have super ripe bananas. I'm recording a vlog of it on TikTok if you want to go see it. There's some walnuts I can add. I don't think we have chocolate chips though. So let's make banana bread. Georgie's watching anime and I hate anime. Okay, my phone has like absolutely no storage, so I gave up vlogging my banana bread on there. Or the mashed bananas. Lately, like, I've had to restart my phone 1,000 times. I don't know why my phone is so full of storage all the time. I literally have to restart it 24/7. It gets so annoying.
That's an Apple issue. What?
You're blowing your nose so loud.
It takes so much pressure to empty out my nose that it messes up my ears.
Half a cup of unsalted butter. Just leave it there. Oh, and my camera's about to die. How fabulous. On the wet ingredients. That was easy. She looks beautiful. I shall show you. Look how pretty she looks, and it smells so good. I'm gonna add some chocolate and walnuts that I have because I like something in my bread. But oh my god, I like something in my banana bread. I don't have that much. It's so square, and a few in this bag. These are low like work. Pretty that looks. She looks fab. I think this is too filled. Yeah, right?
How much is it gonna rise?
I mean, a banana bread always rises a good amount, but I just feel like that's super full.
I mean, I feel like a little bit. Can I taste the bag?
Yeah. This is what we're working with, which I think is way better. Okay, I separated some of that into that. Put these in the oven, actually. And then this little baby can go right next to it. I will have those in there for an hour. The mini one is done, but we're gonna try now. Okay. You're really hot.
It is. Tastes scrumptious, bro.
Hot, but came out perfect, per usual.
Super perfect, bro.
It's been a while. I've been really bad with vlogging, don't judge me. I'm simply coming to say that this vlog is over. I have absolutely no idea what this was. Hope you enjoyed watching. I cannot speak. I hope you enjoyed watching my life, I guess. Whatever that was about, me going out, my life in Miami, I don't know. I'll start filming a new one soon. For now, go watch my old ones. Bye.